Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video gonna be my first try on resin art. So I'm wearing my gloves and I chose a place where I can get enough ventilation. So let's see how it went on. Actually, I'm gonna try a very small and a simple project as this is my first attempt. I'm taking 4 grams of resin and 2 grams of hardener to make it 2:1 ratio. Place the resin dispenser on the scale and switch on it, and let's start to measure. If anyone is new here to my channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get our video notifications of future uploads. You can click on the above link top right corner or see the description below for the link to get to know what are the basic supplies you will need to start resin art. Okay, now we need only 1 gram more of resin. Let's pour it carefully. Here we go, 4 grams is done. Now let's move on and add 2 grams of hardener into this. It takes a bit more time because it's my first experience, so I'm so excited and I need to measure it carefully. Now I'm gonna mix gold dust powder into this resin mixture and mix this well before pouring into the mold. And now it's time to pour the resin into the mold. It takes lots of time for me to pour the resin into the mold. Maybe because I'm a beginner, I'm just practicing. And now we have to keep this mold for 24 hours to get it dry. And this is how it looks like after 24 hours. It's really beautiful. Now I'm removing them. Let's see how it came out. Wow, so beautiful. It's so amazing. So I'm just gonna randomly select one of these and put a key tag and show you. Actually, we don't need a Dremel because the mold had a small hole as well, so we can just fix it. So guys, this is how my first resin project went on. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.